Loranganila Chuyimit Uma Chuyina
so tanda native tanga so nyandu tanda kraso tradiji chigndo techin tenga so babaki ya kraso gita chi chala tanda ton sha sha te la te singi gemba ta te kundu kupa che ngara so po janda che te chen tenga so babaki ku te ta chi tanda mamu chi sha sha se re jo ta tamu te ye tenge shula nge tongi che go te samala ta shi dele Asa kraso tadi tela chesha. Tadi samo tela. Ti chesha ti. Ngata te zanga bule ma. Roban da bufe thona ya roban da chim so so. Sai du so to de chra so tadi jere. Ha. Hale mu khale. Hale de chot nam khale. Ale de kraso ge khala mamu khala sha te nge kraso to de kraso ge ande sida puja nan khale sha te chinte te khatse
Sponsor accepting.
mo karsa mo mi karsa
Me, Jeremy.
seten sepel oh ya
Sebe ama lagi. Desi da puja.
sebe ki khara ki
Kine goro sene.
desi soja sama
Kine goro samatan nyugu soja.
Ke kraso ki ngone ki dwa ki ta Canada ki kraso ta ni ta amanda budu yomi te gala ta da londa gai ba te to de londa khashi chi gai ba te kraso sama ta di chi ni rish
You would find the location. Is it something to check it out and see? It's a quiet place. It's a nice location just to check it out because it's in Calgary and there's a Tibetan touch to it. So and then you can do your own research. You have Google, so right. So I won't waste much time on that. And we were a little bit of schedule behind, so I'll keep it short. Yeah, and I met JC and Canada Bridges. So I'm volunteering as a community executive, as a youth coordinator. So, and I thought it was really nice to see Story Jam. What is Story Jam about? And I thought I just brought that idea up about how culturally we have.
Hello everyone, my name is Tenzin Tepel. I am the co-president of the Students for Free Tibet at the University of Calgary, and so I've settled here in Calgary in 2011 when I arrived from Toronto, but I initially came from India. That's where my grandparents fled from Tibet to India way back, and so yeah, I'm really looking forward to what we have for today.
Istuano ka sokko johki tupi. Johtuu siksi ka. I said in Blackfoot my language. I said greetings everybody. My Blackfoot name is Bay Horse Rider. And I'm from Siksika. Siksika just means Blackfoot. It used to be Blackfoot, but we changed it to Siksika. That's what it means in our language, Blackfoot. And we're not Indians. We're not from India. We're here, like she says, like a real or first people. That's what need Sittapi means. You can't go any further than that. Need Sittapi. This is like our lodge. Our lodges are sacred. The teepees has the same almost the same pronunciation at the beginning. Ni tuyis. Ni tuyis. We hold it sacred. It's like inside of our mother womb, inside by instinct. Way before colonialism, before white man came, we lived like that. And we're still here. I don't think we're going to go anywhere. And so that's why we emphasize on that creator. It's a creator that make that happen or makes that happen. And with like what you're doing with the cultural, we embrace not just Sikshikas, not just First Nation, everybody. When I go like this, round dirt. The Sikshikas, we believe in earth. Spirit of the earth. That's what we believe in Sikshika. We don't call it Mother Earth in Blackfoot. Spirit of the earth people. That's what we are. We believe we come from the dirt. When we die, we go back to the dirt. And we believe we come from that. We have that power, comes from that. And of course, when we pray, we implore to the heavens. When the young lady here brought this sweet smudge, I asked her if she has any sweetgrass. I have some in that truck. I didn't know they're gonna say, some places don't allow smudge because they'll call it.
Beaver people. My father is from Siksika. My mother's from the Tsuut'ina Nation. Agukpa Booksies, many turning roads. My Blackfoot name, that's my surname, my original name, many turning roads. My Blackfoot names, my dad mentioned Hill Offering, Spakuya Ginstan. I'm fifth generational powwow singer with my dad. Our family. I was basically thrown into the lines, drumming and singing when I was a kid. And I'm forever grateful for that. It's brought me a lot of places I never thought I'd be or see. And traveled a lot. Many nights, and just for the love of it, you know. And yeah, it's we're gonna share some songs tonight, but I'd like to touch on they have a spirit. The drum still has a spirit in it. In our ways, if you see drum keepers, and my dad's a drum keeper of our drum, we'll put a blanket or we'll cover it. Keep it covered with this drum bag because I was told, my grandpa, my dad, the holy people, the holy Blackfoot people, like the Yita Beaks, that we keep the drum covered because we respect that animal, we still respect the spirit, and even our eagle feathers. We don't hang our drums up wide open for display. Only, you know, if we keep it covered. Oh.
소재 봐서 나 소재는 보다 치르샤.
I go to the University of Calgary. I'm the co-president of the Students for a Free Tibet at U of C. And so we're like a movement that is advocating for free Tibet. So I'll just sit down. I wrote a little, some notes so I don't forget what to say today. I wrote this a while back, but because the event got pushed back and whatnot. So our Tibetan story is one of courage and resilience. I was born mountains away from my homeland, Tibet, that was stolen from me and thousands and hundreds of thousands of other Tibetans. As born refugees, we had nowhere to call home. My grandparents were just teenagers when they followed His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama into exile in 1959. They were escaping the persecution from the Chinese army. So I first heard about Tibet from my grandfather. So he's told stories of our homeland, Tibet, that was rich in nature, culture, and religion. His tales about Tibet created an imagination of a country that I had never seen before. It contrasted with the refugee camp that I was born in and I was raised in. It was
Grandpa Edward Wolfchild, and yeah, so I'm currently in Mount Royal University taking education program with a minor in Indigenous Studies and a second minor, maybe sociology, or maybe, I don't know, it's still in the question, but I wish there was more Indigenous Studies or there was more humanities and perspectives, because I love learning about the culture and diverse perspectives. So I'm also part of the build team as the build team as a support and assistant, and I'm so excited and honored to be working with Tara and JC this year. And yeah, so I'm going to talk about a
the circle because there's more people, right? Imagine like everyone's following that same. It's a circle, so just two is dancing now, and the song somewhere is saying, "Let's go to our homeland and let's, how happy it is." Like just in the song it is saying like that.
I think that it really inspired me just because Dennis and I have even talked about this. Sometimes you feel like multicultural showcases are just not doing the thing. Like I feel like the depth of this and just like the focus and the ability to actually share and not just like, I don't know. There's something about those shows that we really, I felt very inspired on how we can bridge cultures together in a very unique way, and more of a conversation and less of just like a showcase, if that makes sense, And so if you're wondering what this space is about, I guess I'll let you know a little bit. We're called Alcove Center for the Arts, and we have a variety of programming. As Tenzin mentioned, we do art workshops that are by donation. If you want to attend, we do live events. So we do like Thursday night jams. We essentially just jam on the spot. The people that come curate the vibe. So if you'd like to bring your instruments and come jam, those happen every Thursday night. We have open mics. And then we also make space for community and different organizations and artists to also host events here. So if you're looking for, a pretty affordable space considering like how venues are and stuff, and you want to work together.
November 17th, if you want to sign up for that, please reach out. We're on social media. We don't have like a calendar of events, but our focus is a youth explosion. So we're planning to have that event in the spring of 2025. So we're in like full mode recruiting youth storytellers. You don't have to be indigenous, you can be of all shapes and sizes and colors. So grab some food, there's to-go containers if you want to take some of that soup. It'll be less for me to take out of here, and any snacks or drinks, please help yourself.
Have a good night, everyone. Thank you.
Hello. And I would like to say, we Tibetan communities have Buddhist temples, right? If you have questions, sometimes we mind something mental health wise. If you have questions, right? This Geshe-las need translator, but we have Tibetans who can speak English. But we're open. They are open to, gladly open to any questions about meditation. Right, they're experts. So, more live.
Tenzin, we're gonna need you to translate though. You're gonna be like, the assistant translator.
我的春夏秋冬都那么深刻浪漫， 就没做完有没路，就得打从接头。狗娃人当有次就当这我来往的家样没路。人当的加米路，就能做完都印度。打那种平整感觉有次念就念里弄。